If Adobe Lightroom is showing error code 24, don't worry. This is usually a file access or permission issue, and in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Lightroom error code 24 usually means the app can't properly read or write your photo file, which is why the image may fail to open, sync, or save correctly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling anything. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, let's start with the most common fix. Move the photo file to your internal drive. If your image is stored on an external hard drive, USB drive, network location, or cloud-synced folder, Lightroom may have trouble accessing it. Copy the photo to a simple location, like your desktop, or a folder on your SSD or internal storage. Then, try opening it again in Lightroom. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Next, check the file permissions. On Windows, right-click the photo file, choose Properties, and make sure the file is not set to read-only. Then go to the Security tab and confirm your user account has full control or at least the proper read and write permissions. If Lightroom cannot write to the file, error code 24 can appear again and again. If you're on a Mac, make sure the file and folder permissions allow your account to read and write the image properly. Now let's check the file and folder name. Rename the photo or the folder it's in if the name is very long or contains special characters. Sometimes unusual symbols, unsupported characters, or overly long paths can cause Lightroom to fail when it tries to access the file. Keep the name simple, short, and clean. After that, remove the file from Lightroom and import it again. In Lightroom, right-click the affected photo and choose Remove. Then import the file fresh from its new location. This can clear out a broken reference and force Lightroom to reconnect to the image properly. Another thing to check is your disk space. If your drive is nearly full, Lightroom may not be able to write temporary files or updates, which can trigger errors during editing or syncing. Free up some space if needed, then try again. Finally, restart Lightroom completely. Close the app, wait a few seconds, and reopen it so any temporary lock or background process gets cleared. If the error was caused by a temporary glitch, this often solves it immediately. So to recap, move the photo to internal storage, check permissions, rename the file or folder, re-import the image, verify disk space, and restart Lightroom. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Lightroom error code 24 quickly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you.